Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about vectors. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to prove that the vectors A and B are perpendicular. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about the dot product between vector A and vector B. So about this one, we need to know that if we want to prove vector A and vector B are perpendicular, the dot product equals to number 0. So we need to know that this one, that should be about coefficient of vector A and coefficient of vector B. They will multiply each other in here. So for example, we have I and I. So number 2 multiplied by number 2 plus negative number 1 multiplied by number 7. Number 3 multiplied by positive number 1. We calculate this one and we have number 0. So because this one equals to number 0, we can say that vector A and vector B are perpendicular. This is the end. Thank you for watching.